Did you know your liver is like the superhero of your body? It's the only organ that can regenerate itself and can still function even when damaged. But here's the twist. Your liver needs the right nutrients to keep up its heroic work. Without proper care, it can succumb to fatty deposits, inflammation, or damage from toxins. That's why today we're diving deep into the top 5 foods that not only support but supercharge your liver's health. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and learn how you can transform your overall well-being. Your liver is an extraordinary organ, responsible for over 500 functions in your body. From detoxifying your bloodstream to producing bile for digestion and storing essential vitamins and minerals, it's a powerhouse of activity. However, modern lifestyles filled with processed foods, alcohol, and environmental toxins can put a significant strain on this vital organ. The good news? Nature offers us a bounty of foods that can help protect, heal, and rejuvenate the liver. Let's explore these liver-loving foods in detail and understand how they work their magic. Number 1 on the list is beets, the detox dynamo. Beets are often called nature's detoxifier, and for good reason. These vibrant root vegetables are rich in betalains, powerful antioxidants that give beets their deep red hue. Betalains help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver, 2 key factors that can lead to liver damage over time. In addition to betalains, beets are high in nitrates, which improve blood flow and oxygen delivery. This enhanced circulation can support the liver's detoxification processes. Beets also stimulate bile production. How to include beets in your diet? Beets can be enjoyed in various forms. Try roasting them for a caramelized flavor, blending them into a smoothie with apples and ginger, or grating them raw into a salad. Beet juice is also a popular choice, but it's best to dilute it with water or mix it with other vegetable juices to avoid an overly earthy taste. Pro tip: pair beets with citrus fruits like oranges or lemons. The vitamin C in citrus enhances the absorption of nutrients in beets, giving your liver an even bigger boost. Number 2 on the list is fatty fish, omega-3 powerhouses. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for reducing inflammation, a major contributor to liver diseases like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Omega-3s help balance the ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids in the body, which is crucial for maintaining liver health. Studies have shown that omega-3s can reduce triglyceride levels in the liver, improve insulin sensitivity, and even decrease liver fat accumulation. This makes fatty fish a cornerstone of any liver-friendly diet. How to include fatty fish in your diet? Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week. Grilled salmon with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs is a quick and delicious option. Sardines can be added to salads or eaten on whole grain crackers for a nutritious snack. For those who don't enjoy the taste of fish, high-quality fish oil supplements are a viable alternative. Pro tip: combine fatty fish with anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric or ginger for an added liver protective effect. Number 3 on the list is garlic, the natural detoxifier. Garlic has been used for centuries as a medicinal food, and its benefits for liver health are well documented. This pungent bulb contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. Garlic also has antimicrobial properties that can help combat infections that might stress the liver. In addition to its detoxifying effects, garlic is rich in selenium, a mineral that enhances antioxidant activity in the liver. This dual action helps protect liver cells from damage and supports their natural regeneration. How to include garlic in your diet? Garlic can be added to a variety of dishes, from sautéed vegetables to soups and marinades. To maximize its health benefits, crush or chop garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This resting period allows the formation of allicin, which is sensitive to heat but retains some of its potency in cooked dishes. Pro tip: pair garlic with olive oil and lemon juice for a liver-friendly salad dressing that's as tasty as it is healthy. Number 4 ONTHELISTIS, leafy greens, chlorophyll-rich detoxifier. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with chlorophyll, a natural compound that helps neutralize toxins and heavy metals in the body. These greens are also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and prevents the buildup of toxins that could strain the liver. One of the standout features of leafy greens is their ability to promote bile flow. Bile is crucial for digesting fats and removing waste products from the liver. By supporting bile production, leafy greens make it easier for your liver to perform its detoxifying duties. How to include leafy greens in your diet? Leafy greens are incredibly versatile. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie, toss kale into a hearty soup, or use arugula as a base for your salads. Lightly steaming or sautéing greens can make them more palatable for those who find their raw taste too bitter. Pro tip: pair leafy greens with healthy fats like avocado or nuts. These fats enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like DA, DE, A, K, which are abundant in greens. Number 5 on the list is nuts, nutrient-dense powerhouses. Nuts, particularly almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts, are excellent for liver health due to their high content of healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. Walnuts, for example, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, both of which play a role in detoxifying the liver. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects liver cells from oxidative damage. Brazil nuts, on the other hand, are one of the richest dietary sources of selenium, a mineral that supports liver enzyme function and reduces inflammation. How to include nuts in your diet? A handful of mixed nuts makes for a convenient and nutritious snack. You can also sprinkle chopped nuts over oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for added crunch and flavor. Be mindful of portion sizes, as nuts are calorie-dense. Your liver is the unsung hero of your body, working tirelessly to keep you healthy and toxin-free. By incorporating these 5 foods into your daily diet, you can provide your liver with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Beets, fatty fish, garlic, leafy greens, and nuts are not just delicious, they're your liver's best friends. Remember, a healthy liver is key to a healthy life. Which of these foods are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Here's to a happier, healthier you.